Amaya oyama, what a good to get oyama. What the everybody
Marin Biggie, Senator Adawari Pepu, Honorable Fami Danagogo, Chief Maurice Oyiri, Dr. Samson Parker, Chief Franco Hall,
To the glory of God, we commissioned today, the 6th of September 2022, the River State University Campus, Satellite Campus, Lord Etche, our campus. In the name of God the Father, in the name of God the Son, in the name of God the Holy Spirit. Most thank the university community, through the Government Council, for making us proud. After the inauguration, sometimes last year, I did inform the Pro-Chancellor and the Vice-Chancellor that this project must be completed within 12 months. I want to attest to the fact that this project has been completed since June this year. So that means that we have started the project to be completed in June. If projects are handled this way, we will not have problems and issues of abandoned projects. There's nothing about secret. There's nothing about anybody who talk about governance. The way we budget our projects shows that government is not willing. If there's no money, you don't need to embark on any project. We release 100% of the funds for these 3 campuses, and to the glory of God, today we are here in Etche, tomorrow we'll be in Abara, Thursday we'll be in Ahoda. Make promise and fulfill the promise you have made. And I'm sure by October, we're going to commission the basic and clinical sciences, which is located in Port Harcourt, and which will make our medical school to be one of the best in terms of equipment and in terms of lecturers. Thank God our university did not join the strike. I'm not here for Father Christmas. If you have your problem, face the government and solve your problem. If any other state has problem, they should solve their own. Our students cannot suffer because one university somewhere is not being paid. When we had our own problem, nobody came to sympathize with us. Did anybody come? No. Did anybody come? No. We have given to the university. I don't know of any federal university I can say there are any more than our lecturers in university. I don't know. I don't know of any federal university I've said today they are equipped more than the way we're equipped here. This is just a campus, just 1 year campus. You can go to most of the universities. You cannot see road network like this. Look at the road network. As if it's the main campus. So if you give this university another 1 year, you can see, if you give this campus another 1 year, you can see what will happen. So what is important, money has been given to the management, and the management has utilized the funds given to them. I've told everybody, an opportunity you have to serve your people, show that yes, you are willing, you are committed to serve your people. Since we have had this governing council, the university has been progressively moving, and the vice chancellor. Some people would have thought, because two of them are lawyers, they may not work together. But see how, because of the love they have for their state, because of the love they have for the university, see the progress they are turning out today. And that was expected of people. Mr. Pro Chancellor, Mr. Vice Chancellor, I'm very, very grateful indeed. Very, very grateful. And thank you, and members of your team, for putting up effort to do this. It is not to build so many universities. What's important is to provide the basic facilities, the basic infrastructure for the universities to take up. It's not to approve building of, if there are some politicians, governors now, I also get them to assign to university in my community. But the point is, you assign university in your community, the one that you have, you can't take care of it. So everything in Nigeria is done politically. Let it be. I built university in my community. When you know the one you have there, you cannot take care of it. So development can come if you decentralize faculties. Now we are faculty of agriculture here. Social sciences, I think, is in Emoha. Humanities is in Abuja. Students will come here and leave. Businesses will thrive here. That's how development comes to it. It's not when you bring a free, but it's not correct. People will be selling and they will make money. So it is important that we know. And I tell people, remember, that no promise I've made to you, I have not fulfilled. Is there any promise I've made to Etche people? Say it now. Is there any promise I've made to you I have not fulfilled? If you cannot say it today, don't say it again. Because I promise you, hold on. I promise you, I was going to bring this campus. Have I brought it? Have I brought it? When I came on board, remember, Igrita, to Chokocho, you cannot pass that place. You know that? Have I done it? Have I done it? Remember, I told you I was going to do Abara. Did I do it? Did I do it? Remember, I told you I would do Umoye Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? Remember, I told you I was going to do Chokocho to Roma Post. Did I do it? Did I do it? Remember, I told you I would do Chokocho to where, no, Chokocho to, as for coming here, Osusu. Did we do it? Did we do it? Did I promise you I will do Chokocho to Ibodo? Is it going on? Is it going on? These are the promises we made and we are fulfilling. Hold on, so tell the other people they should come and tell us what promise they made to this state and they have fulfilled one. This is not a time for campaign. When campaign comes, what we have done will speak for us. That's our own campaign. Now, the chairman, you have come out here, you spoke grammar. But ordinary rain, you cannot stop it. So, since me, I have given you to you, give them so. Where's the chairman? Come here. So, all this money I've been using to do for you to support me. Support the state university, not so. Because you're going to work here. Now, from next week, I want to come and see that you have started the police station. And you complete it in 3 months' time. Chief Security Officer of the local government, to be Chief Security Officer, is it by mouth? Is it by mouth? Go and collect the security fund and build the police station so that the here will be protected. You don't want when the students come, we get to hear different stories. Thank you, and God bless you. My dear people, nature, yes, I've been hearing what they're saying. I cannot finish everything in the chain. If I finish everything in the chain, what of my own place? So that is why you have seen. When Similarly and Professor Ngozi come, hold them. Tell them, give us the way Wike gave us. Don't be so. So allow me to rest more. Have I not tried? Have I not tried? Watch all the states. How many states you can see doing what we are doing today? Is there anyone? How many governors can go to their state and tell them, is there anything I promise you and I've done it, I've not done it? How many people can be bold to ask their people, tell me, is there anything I promise you and I've not done it? But I'm bold to say, yeah, stand in the chain, ask you a question. And you say, yes, I've done everything. If you want another one, I'm tired. I cannot. Do you understand me? If you laugh today, cry, no shit again. Government is a continuum. Is it not true? Those ones, Similarly and Ngozi, luckily she's here. The candidate is doing some work. She's here. So they should know where we start so they can continue. So just be patient. Because I don't want to start something I cannot finish. I don't want to leave any debt for them. I don't want any contractor to say, look, when they gave us this job, this was not how it was, these are this variation. Because I'm not there, nobody will speak for me. They tell all kinds of so as I have awarded all projects, so I'm going to commission and finish them. As they're coming in a new slate, they have their own agenda, what to do for the state. This is very, very key. And not to put them thinking, where will they get money? There's nothing like where they will get money, because there's no debt that we're leaving behind for them. But in the let me tell you, don't rush. Don't rush. At the appropriate time, we'll take decision on what to do. Do you understand me? At the appropriate time, we'll take decision on what to do. Because I tell people something. Since 1999, I want to ask people to always reflect on this, ponder over it. Since 1999, we got the highest votes for the People's Democratic Party. Is it not correct? Since 1999, I challenge any state, to say they brought more votes than River State. Since 1999, I challenge any state in terms of support for the PDP. Which state has given more support than River State? Is there anyone? Is there anyone? Since 1999, show me one federal project in this state. Show me one. Show me one. Is there anyone? Is there anyone? If you want our vote, tell me, what will you give to River State? Not be so. Not be so. Nothing can be for dash again. Nothing can be for dash. Enough is enough of using River State and thinking that we are foolish people who don't know what to do with our money. Enough is enough of using River people thinking that, oh, they will bring the vote. When they bring it, push them away. Tell River people what you are going to do for the people of River State. Not me. And nothing any of them can do for me. But I'm interested in my state. I'm interested in my state. Nobody can buy me. Nobody. I'm not going to go and look for position at the federal level. Have I not been a minister before? Have I not been a minister? So what are you going to entice me now as a person? Nothing. Rather, for the interest of my state. If you don't tell me what the state will do, then forget me. Forget me. No amount of intimidation. No amount of threat. Of course. We stood this government fought us, but we survived it, is it not? Yes. Don't you survive it? We survived. Most of them who are talking now, if this federal government had descended on them, they would have crumbled. When they were going to negotiate with Buhari in 2019, they were going to negotiate with Buhari. That's why Buhari won election. They came to me and said, no negotiation. PDP must win. I said no. Those of them who could not stand, when I see them talking to me, opening their mouth. Those of them who made sure that PDP never survived since 2015, that destroyed PDP. I see them today. They're opening their mouth. Those of them who left this party are today calling us boys. The boys that stayed back and keep the party. And then they said that founded the party and left. So if you're a Rivers man, you don't need to be intimidated by anybody. I pity any Rivers man who's going to pick the crumbles from the table. Rivers said there are not people. We won't do that. We must take our rightful position. If you don't agree, you must agree. So nobody should be worried. Intimidating me, some people tell me, oh, be careful, they will kill you. Kill who? Who told you will not die first before you come?
Ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never fail. Ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never change.
Those of you who are panicking, you don't need to panic. If you have God, what are you afraid of? They have chased us, they have fought us, but today we are standing very, very strong in this state. Let them showcase what they have done in their own state before they talk to us. You don't need to begin to guide those who cannot even win ordinary police unit to stay in Abuja to determine to Rivers State what will happen. That will never happen. Today Rivers State is not yesterday Rivers State. You mean as a governor, I will run down to Abuja begin to kneel down to who? Governor of Rivers State to kneel down to who? Where is the president? Which state does it come from? All those who are saying that should come and whose state did they come from? That the Rivers man, governor of Rivers State should come and kneel down for you people. You've not started.
Medisi papa demo, papa demo, medisi papa demo, papa demo.
So everybody be calm. Let's continue to do what we are doing every day. It's God that did it. Some people misunderstood what I said, Nadia, when I said, why do you have to worry about everything? You see, people, I don't know the kind of school they went. I don't know the kind of school they attended, what they read. God has sent you to university to be a lawyer, for example. God helped you, you came out. And then somebody tells you to prepare a brief for him. You say, I'll pray to God first. How? I mean, how? God has given me the opportunity to be governor of Rivers State. God has given me the resources to put down things for my people. Then I will just say, let me go and pray. What kind of? Does God make mistake? God cannot give you this opportunity and equipping you, and you think that God is no longer with you. But I cannot. Instead of you to use the brain God has given to you to do something for your people, you say, let's leave it in the hand of God. What kind of laziness is that? You see those who are wrestling here, some of them have their own strategies. They are good wrestlers. If you're not a good wrestler, don't come here and say, God will help me. Help you. Does he hate the other person? God has given you the skill. Use the skill. And to see that you have won the right person. Then you leave the house. Please God, this wrestler going now. Let me be the one that will throw the right person. When you know you're not the wrestler before, then you just come out. They carry the person. It doesn't work that way. You can't read in the school. You enter the exam. You say, God, you know I'm your first son. How? How can you call God that you're the first son? So God should do what now? Favor you to pass when you didn't read. Others that are read, God hates them. That is what? If you have read, all you ask God, please let me remember everything I have read. That's why God comes in. Not when you didn't read. You go there and say, God, my father is a pastor. Don't disappoint my father. That prayer will fail there. So I thank the university. You've done very well. I'm happy. The Vice Chancellor had requested for grant that he was so reluctant. You are not reluctant to anything. You purposely did it. And I will purposely refuse to approve. You see, I don't interfere. I don't know how much you will charge as school fees. I never interfered when they said, it is your responsibility. School fees, those are the things you use to run. It is the business of government to provide basic. Because if we allow you to do this, where will we get the money from? Where will we get it from? For this small desert, you see, Pro Chancellor, that is people who said that. I've done my own part. The staff quarters must be completed within 5-6 months. Must. So it's not a project you will say, come on, no, they must complete it. And why I did what I did, let me tell you. I started to supervise this staff quarters by myself. You know, politicians, people don't know how to follow them. I know how to follow them. I don't want this project to stay, I leave, no. I'll be following them bumper to... Because you respect them, you say, you know, they are close to the governor. They don't need, okay, leave it. Let me supervise it. So that anybody who does anything, you know that you need to... And I believe that the good job we've done. I was told the one in the main campus is ongoing. So the one in Abara is ongoing. I also believe the one in MOF is also ongoing. So thank you for your support. I wish we have money before we leave. Yes, I will support the university, not only this university, but the National University, the National Polytechnic, and the cancer who are protected. Before we leave office, at least to give you some money that can sustain you before the governor elect or the new governor will have stabilized, so that you won't have a problem running to government house every day. So it's very, very important. But I'm not giving you grant on this to buy the zero. I'm not. But I'm giving you money to sustain you, do some basic infrastructure that you needed or you need in future. It's very, very important. On this note, let me invite the Deputy Governor and others